What's up mga guys? How are you? Kumusta kayo? Kumusta na mo? Shoutout pala sa aking kapatid kaibigan na si Pans TV Official. Thank you very much Pans TV Official and please do support to his channel Pans TV Official. Napakabait na kapatid kaibigan. Isa sa mga vloggers dyan sa ating Manila. Nagbibigay updates sa mga ano-anong mga activity, improvement na nagawa or ginagawa ng ating gobyerno at sa ating Pangulong Rodrigo Honorable President Duterte. Ayan, so shout out please do support. Suportahan niyo ang channel po ni Pans TV Official. Alright, do not forget At ituro ko rin sa inyo kung paano I will teach you on how to remove moderators from your YouTube channel. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano aalisin yung sabi ng mga kapatid natin kaibigan, jacket, no? 'Di ba kung sasali tayo ng mga nag-ALS, sasabihin nating pa-jacket naman host. Ayan. So aalisin natin 'yan mga kapatid kaibigan dahil kailangan tayong maglinis sa ating YouTube. Lalo na pag monetize tayo at saka na-monetize yung mga nabigyan natin ng mga jacket at kailangan para fair, no? Sometime we need to remove or delete those moderators on or in our YouTube channel. Okay? So umpisa na natin, mga kapatid kaibigan, ang tinuro or tinuturo sa ating kapatid kaibigan na si Pans TV Official. So wag kalimat. Wag kalimutan mga guys mag-subscribe, hanapin nyo lang, i-type nyo lang Pans TV Official. Ayan, suportahan nyo ang channel niya. At of course, i-subscribe nyo, mag-like, pwedeng i-share mga kapatid, no? Para naman malaman, no, sa ating mga kaibigan, lalo na sa mga small YouTubers na kailangan pala, pala bingkong shovel. We need to remove and clean our YouTube channel sometime. Alright? So, let's continue guys. Ito po ang tinuro kasi tapos na eh. This is the tutorial that was taught, okay? Taught by Pans TV Official. So, guys, let's proceed. Okay, now ang gawin nyo ay punta tayo sa Google Chrome. Alright, here we go. Then, after that one, guys, of course, you have to select. Kasi marami akong mga guys dito. So, i-select natin yung ang Google, no? And then, when you are there, then type nyo lang kung dyan na kayo, type nyo yung youtube.com. Ayan, nakita nyo guys. Ayan, so enter na lang ako kasi nang doon na. Alright, so yan na. There he go. There you go. There we go. Okay. Oy, Basbox naka-live. Kasi nag-loading pa raw siya, no? So, dito na tayo, guys. Kasi ang topic natin ngayon ay paano i-remove or i-delete yung mga nadyakitan, no? Moderators on your YouTube channel. Ayan. So, now, look at this profile here. That's your profile. Click that one, guys. And then find your YouTube studio. All right. Then click your YouTube studio. Ayan. Oh, bakit ganun? Bakit ganun ka lang? Hintay tayo saglit guys. Okay, just wait for a minute. Just relax na. At mataas-taas to, sabi mo. Quick lang na tutorial. Eh, hindi natin maano guys, no? Alright, let's go. And then, here you go. You see that? This side here, guys, left corner, then below. Okay? Left corner, below corner. Ayan. Then, look at that setting. Tingnan niyo yung setting, guys. I-click niyo yan, guys, yung settings. Hi. Ayan, so dalhin kayo dito. Alright, nakita niyo yan, may US dollar. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yan, mga loads, no? Mga kapatid, kaibigan, mga ka-adventure. And then right here, left column, you can see there's so many settings, general channel, upload defaults, permission, community, agreement. At pipiliin nyo, you have to choose the community. Alright, click that community, guys. And then, here we go. Dito, makikita nyo guys, kung hindi nyo pa na delete. So, may makikita kayong big X dito, oh. This side, this side, guys. This side, okay? This side, you will see a big X. Because those moderators, you can see here, small X, right? So, yung, pag nakita niyo dito yung, tingnan niyo yung arrow, just look at, focus to my arrow. This side, you can see big X. Then, after that one, guys, you have to click that big X, and then, all of your moderators, ano mangyari? Will be gone or mawala na yung mga jacket niya. Tapos pagkatapos niyan, i-save nyo lang kaagad, no? Save, dito, right corner, below right corner, okay? Then you have to click that save. Alright, so that's all for today. And before I leave, may i-shoutout naman ako. Please do support to Bassbox TV. Nagbibigay ng mga updates para sa ating Manila Bay. Puntahan nyo guys, no? Bassbox TV. Okay, please do support to his channel. And another one is Papa Vin TV. Kung gusto nyo guys na mag-enjoy sa pagta-travel at emergency, just contact Papa Vin TV. At the same time, nag-update yan siya sa Manila Bay. At of course, may taxi yan, no? So, if you have any purposes or destination, kung may puntahan kayo guys, pwede niyong i-contact si Papa Vin. So again, please do support Papa Vin. And there's another one, si Papa Mar TV. Please do support Papa Mar TV. And then si Papa J. And don't forget guys, may isa akong kapatid kaibigan. Walang iba si Rebecca Salgarino. Please do support to his channel also. He's giving you information or mga tutorial guys. Ang nagustuhan ko doon yung paputi ng balat. Puntahan nyo. Gusto nyo magputi. Ano ba yan? You want to be white? Okay guys, thank you. That's all for today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And of course, like and share. And then click the notification bell. And please, mga kapatid, friends, choose all for you to be updated of my next videos. Bye. See you. Thank you very much.